Hey guys, good day, welcome back again to my channel. This is paprika, so I'm having paprika here, and this one here is also tomatoes, tomatoes and onions and 2 scotch bonnet pepper. I have meat here, so it's already been washed. So I'm going to be making tomato sauce. The first thing I'm going to chop everything together, then I fry. It's just sauce now, so today I don't want to make stew, I just want to use this pattern to still make my sauce today. Guys, I'm going to be adding thyme to it, so just a bit. So I'm going to be adding a bit of nut milk also. So I'm also going to add the curry powder, so I'm going to be adding a bit of curry powder, rice, so I just add salt inside my water. You tell the water to boil, before adding the rice to it. I'm baking chicken wings for them, So this is the stew. So this is the meat. So that's the meat. So I'm going to be adding it in. the rice that I'm going to be cooking. It's two types of rice. This one is that soft rice, you know, so I just want to mix the rice together because I want the rice to be soft. So that's why I have that white rice. I add the white rice to it, you know, so I am going to be cooking it like this, you know, so this is how I want it to be. So I want to wash it there. Can you see it? It's almost ready. So I have to come it now. I want to add the chicken to it, so I'm waiting for the chicken to be ready before I'll now remove this sauce, you know. The chicken wings is ready, so this is what I've been waiting for since, because I wanted to just remove the sauce, you know, but I was waiting for this chicken wings because my children love it a lot, you know. So now I want to add it inside this place now, you know. Yeah. We'll now wait for the rice. This is the rice. It's almost ready. So that's it. Everything is ready. So, I don't like meat like that. Let me just add a bit of oil to it. Okay, come. Aria, come and take your food. So guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in another video. Bye.